Hey Google Cloud users. You've got VM instances running in a zone that's hitting performance issues, or maybe you need to move resources to a different region for cost savings or compliance reasons. Now, normally, that's a bit of a headache, stopping VMs, copying disks, reconfiguring networks, setting up new environments. It's time-consuming and risky. Well, here's some good news. Cloudshot makes it ridiculously easy. Need to relocate your compute engine VM from US Central 1 region to the Asia South 1 region? With Cloudshot, it's as simple as. Here's how it works. First, select the instance you want to migrate now. Click on More to see additional options. Look for the Move/Copy to another availability zone subnet/VPC/region option. Click on it. The Migrate VM instance window will open, ready to guide you through the process. But wait, there's an even easier way. You can simply select the VM instance and drag and drop it into the target subnet on your diagram. A confirmation pop-up will appear, showing the target region, target VPC, availability zone, and subnet. And if you don't want to see this confirmation again, just tick the Don't Ask Again checkbox. If everything looks good, click Yes to proceed. Once you confirm, the target configuration will automatically update to reflect the new region, availability zone, VPC, and subnet where you dropped the instance. It's like magic, no manual input required. You can modify this targeted configuration if you want. Once you select a region, all the VPC available in that region will automatically appear in the next dropdown. Choose your target VPC. Choose your target availability zone. Finally, pick your target subnet from the dropdown. Want to auto-delete the old VM? Check this box. Once you're ready, click Migrate Resource and let Cloudshot do the rest. You'll see real-time logs as your instance is moved seamlessly to its new home. No complex scripting, no manual configurations, just smooth, hassle-free migrations. The migration process will take just a few minutes. Let's walk through what happens after you click Migrate, all fully automated. First, we safely pause your VM and document every configuration, ensuring nothing gets lost in translation. Next, we create point-in-time snapshots and provision new disks in the target location. Your data stays completely intact. Then comes the network magic. Firewall rules, routes, and security groups are automatically reconfigured. Now, Cloudshot provisions an identical VM in the new region, complete with all your disks attached exactly as they were. Finally, we decommission the original VM only after full validation, giving you a clean migration with zero residue. What you just saw in minutes, that's hours of manual work eliminated. Cloudshot executes every step with enterprise-grade precision, so you don't have to. Once the migration is complete, success message will appear, then close this window. A pop-up will appear asking, "Update your diagram?" Go ahead and click Yes to see the changes reflected in your infrastructure diagram. And there you have it. Your VM instance has been successfully moved to the new region, availability zone, and subnet you selected. It's that simple. Here, we've moved the compute engine from the US Central 1 region to the Asia South 1 region. After migration, your new VM in Asia South 1 is an exact replica. All data, applications, and configurations are fully available, just as they were in the original instance. So what are you waiting for? Take control of your cloud infrastructure today. Try Cloudshot and experience the easiest VM migrations you've ever seen. Ready to get started? Click the link below and let's make your cloud journey simpler, faster, and stress-free. Thank you for watching.